sweet from so today. Me, Mum, and Dad are going to be making meatballs. It's our first time making it, so I'm not sure how it's going to come out. So I'm mixing the egg with the onion and the other things.
Well, that's their project. In the meantime, while they're doing that, I am going to put my peas to soak and season up my chicken and just make a preparation for cooking Father's Day dinner tomorrow. And later, as we said in the video before, we're going to do a sleepover into Father's Day. So this video is going to continue with that. And sorry, it's Father's Day, but Pants loves sleep. So if he drop asleep first tonight, I'm going to treat him like it's his birthday. I'm going to hold him. Shh, I'm going to tell him, little he drop asleep tonight. I'm going to pull him a powder. Like a Father's Day, but they're going to treat him like his birthday. They want to laugh. Come say hello to Evan.
Hello.
Say hello to them.
Hello.
Say hello, family.
Hello, family.
Yeah, we're holding that tonight when you must sleep here.
Yeah.
Yes, so I'm going to put some peas of soak and stuff. You know.
I got it. And we're going to
Sorry, say hello to our
put,
family.
hot sauce on there.
Go in the camera and tell them what you're going to do. Go out.
Family, we're going to put some sweet chili on Dad's food.
You're going to put sweet chili on Dad's food?
Yeah. And you say,
Fun.
we're going to put some sweet chili on Dad's food.
You put sweet chili on Dad's food?
Yes.
Okay.
And it's going to be spicy.
Well, but that's for Father's Day though. I just want to prank him when he fall asleep tonight. I'm going to powder him because he said anyone fall asleep. Well, the last one, no, the first one to fall asleep, going to cook and wash all the dishes. So he's going to fall asleep first. But because he cannot do any of those, we're going to powder him. Talk local, we don't want him here.
You don't need to make smaller, no? Don't let the meatball, man. You need to make smaller the side of the one.
This, how you want him, I would suppose.
What you want at least?
I've never tried doing I've never done this before.
If it turns out good, I think
Yeah, I think I'm doing the right pasta.
You see, family team, I love the kitchen and come over here. We're gonna make meatballs. Yeah, you think you're gonna like it? You don't think you're gonna like it? Lie myself, because you love everything.
Yeah, right, meatball. Alright, man. Why you not really like meatball? What do you want for dinner?
What do you want for dinner?
Hmm? Hmm? Rice? Eat rice every day. Come on, eat rice every day.
Yep, so I'm gonna put my red kidney bean or soak, you know, rice and peas. Yeah guys, so for all, I've never tried cooking red kidney beans and rice. When you put the peas to soak from overnight, it cooks so much quicker. So
Yeah,
you
I
should try
can
that.
cut up some clove and garlic and cook nice as well.
Yeah, the garlic helps it to cook.
Garlic when you get to fun, so.
Morning night, chefy.
Very nice, witty.
Witty.
So you want the rice here, you want the rice on meatball?
Yes, so we're gonna put this. This is our more big jalapenos. Remember when we used to go shop go buy peas? Say, for half pint. They even know. But yeah, they should be alright. But these days when we buy like Caribbean food, we go even back to Jamaica. The rice not look red. So I don't know if I the tin peas I use, but when I do my rice and peas, I love it. They have that rich red color from the peas. So make sure I cook my peas and not use the tin ones. It's a skeleton here, so.
The rest of the piece tomorrow, man.
We should have skeleton, man. This is still in the fridge.
Put some skeleton in the oil with the fried meat butter.
Oh, taste them look good though. They soon come become a better chef than me, you know. I shall go and good in my kitchen.
These condiments.
Yes, so anybody have any plans them garlic over here, so? Alright, so I'm going to put some garlic into the peas that I'm doing. Unfortunately, guys, I don't want any of the meatballs. I got some jerk pork here. I'm going to make some festival to go with it.
As well.
As well.
As well.
Okay, it's Father's Day weekend, baby, so it's alright. Yeah, I get spoiler. 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 Okay guys, so we have some nice jerk pork. So we will make some festival to go with it and maybe a little coleslaw. Remember with the meatballs and everything like nice, authentic Jamaican food. Yeah, jerk pork. Nice, spicy.
Wow. Look nice with you, man.
Nice, huh? Tastes nice though, or it just look nice?
That tastes good.
Nice.
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna season up that chicken here now too. Let's see what going on in here now with it. Yeah, so it's here a frame in them. Yeah, I'm saying this.
Fry them and then put them in the sauce.
Okay.
I'm gonna fry them up. You look like curry cooking in that pot, yeah? The pot never wash good.
Curry stain.
So the yellow with the meatball up right there.
So even if it no, too bad.
Alright, no? Alright, salt for the pasta. Yeah, so for there, I'll squeeze up some lime to go with the jerk pork and festival in a bit.
Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, make Lemmy.
Yeah, so this all got nice with the jerk pork, don't it?
Yeah, man.
You want some jerk pork at festival table?
Or you want meatball?
I want meatball and pasta.
Meatball and pasta.
Fine, no, that's right.
Alright, good more for me.
I'm gonna eat the two of them. Father's Day weekend.
Okay, now. Yeah, we'll come over here, so now the meatball don't look too bad. Yeah. I'll go and cook them. Cook them in the sauce. Put them down in the sauce. So I'll go on and so that is my plate here. My jerk pork and festival. And yes, the foodies, they got their meatballs and pasta. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys your drink now. Meatballs. You want add cheese, baby?
So today we have got Jamaican and Italian all in one game.
Yeah.
So that's the Jamaican jerk pork.
Jerk pork
Festival.
festival and the Italian meatballs. Remember to check in with the sleepover guys, yeah? People are gonna get drunk. Thanks for watching.